Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of AI, artificial intelligence. It's everywhere, from the algorithms suggesting your next favorite video to the tech powering self-driving cars. We're talking 10 facts about AI that are straight up mind-blowing. Seriously, you're going to want to stick around for this. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into it. All right, first up, let's talk about AI's ability to learn. And I'm not talking about memorizing facts for a test. I'm talking about actual learning, like how we learn from our experiences. AI uses something called machine learning, which is basically feeding it tons of data and letting it find patterns and make predictions. The more data it gets, the better it gets at its job, whether that's recognizing faces, translating languages, or even driving a car. It's like that friend who's always picking up new skills, except AI does it way faster. Next up, let's talk about how AI is already woven into our daily lives. Think about it. When you ask Siri or Google Assistant a question, boom, that's AI in action. Scrolling through your personalized recommendations on Netflix or Spotify, AI again. Even those smart home devices that can adjust your thermostat or turn off the lights with a voice command, yep, you guessed it. AI is the brains behind it all. It's like AI is becoming this invisible force that's making our lives easier and more efficient, one interaction at a time. Now, this is where things get really interesting. We've all heard about AI beating chess grandmasters, but it goes way beyond that. AI is now capable of outperforming humans in some pretty complex tasks. Think medical diagnoses, financial forecasting, even composing music. Take the game of Go, for example. It's incredibly complex, but Google's DeepMind created AlphaGo, an AI that actually defeated a world champion Go player. It was a major milestone that showed just how powerful AI can be when it comes to strategic thinking and problem solving. Chapter 4, AI, the Industry Takeover. And if you think AI is just limited to games and virtual assistants, think again. This tech is infiltrating pretty much every industry out there. In healthcare, AI is helping doctors diagnose diseases earlier and develop personalized treatment plans. In finance, it's being used to detect fraud and make smarter investments. Even in industries like transportation and manufacturing, AI is optimizing logistics, improving safety, and even designing the cars of the future. It's like AI is becoming the ultimate productivity booster, transforming industries from the inside out. Chapter 5, the AI Dilemma, Ethics and the Future. But hold on a second, it's not all fun and games. The rise of AI also brings some serious ethical concerns that we need to address. One of the biggest ones is the potential for job displacement. As AI gets better at performing tasks that humans used to do, there's a real risk of people losing their jobs. And then there are the privacy implications. AI systems collect and analyze massive amounts of data, which raises questions about how that data is being used and who has access to it. And let's not forget about the whole issue of bias. If AI algorithms are trained on biased data, they can perpetuate and even amplify those biases, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. Chapter 6, AI, the Creative Genius. Okay, let's lighten the mood a bit. Did you know that AI can actually be creative? I'm talking about composing music, painting pictures, even writing poetry. There are AI systems out there that can create stunning works of art that are almost indistinguishable from human-created art. Just check out Google's Magenta project or OpenAI's DALL-E. These AI models are pushing the boundaries of what's possible and challenging our very definition of creativity. It's like AI is tapping into this whole other realm of artistic expression, and honestly, some of the results are pretty mind-blowing. Chapter 7, AI, not always right. But before we crown AI as the ultimate creative genius, let's remember one thing. It's not perfect. AI systems can and do make mistakes. They can be fooled by things that humans wouldn't even bat an eye at, and their decisions aren't always transparent or explainable. That's why it's so important to have human oversight when it comes to AI. We need to be able to understand how these systems are making decisions and make sure they're aligned with our values. Chapter 8, AI, the future is now. And speaking of the future, the pace of AI research and development is insane. Every day there are new breakthroughs and advancements that are pushing the boundaries of what AI can do. We're talking about things like quantum computing, which could exponentially increase the speed and power of AI, and neuromorphic computing, which is inspired by the human brain and could lead to even more human-like AI. It's like we're on the cusp of this AI revolution, and it's both exhilarating and a little bit terrifying at the same time. Chapter 9a, Saving the World One Algorithm at a Time. But hey, it's not all doom and gloom. AI also has the potential to help us solve some of the world's biggest challenges. We're talking about things like climate change, disease outbreaks, and global poverty. AI can analyze massive datasets to identify patterns and trends, helping us develop more effective solutions to these complex problems. Imagine using AI to optimize energy consumption, predict natural disasters, or develop new life-saving drugs. The possibilities are pretty much endless. Chapter 10. AI Limits and Possibilities. Now, before we get too carried away with the hype, it's important to remember that AI still has its limitations. For example, AI systems are great at recognizing patterns, but they often struggle with things like common sense reasoning, understanding context, and emulating human emotions. And let's not forget that AI is only as good as the data it's trained on. If the data is biased or incomplete, the AI's output will reflect that. But despite these limitations, the potential of AI is undeniable. It's a tool that, if used responsibly, has the power to revolutionize our world in countless ways. So, there you have it, 10 mind-blowing facts about AI. It's clear that AI is rapidly changing the world around us, from the way we work to the way we interact with technology, and even the way we create art. It's a powerful tool with incredible potential, but it also comes with its own set of challenges and ethical considerations. What do you think about the future of AI? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting content. See you next time.